You've exhibited your work. Now it's time to repair the wall.
First, gather your supplies. You'll need a drill, putty knife, sanding block, wall putty, paintbrush, and white paint. Next, remove any hardware. You'll be left with a hole to patch. Cut off any excess material around the hole and sand to flatten it. Apply the wall putty, just enough to cover the hole. Allow the putty to dry and then sand it until it's level with the wall. Paint over the patched hole with white paint. Lastly, clean and return your tools.